Hi everyone! So for this video, we'll talk about row span. So sa last video, napag-usapan natin yung call span. So yung call span ginagamit natin for us to have a better structure or presentation of our data na nagko-consume ng several columns in our table. So ngayon, meron tayong example dito, yung local news. Meron siyang 9 na schedule, pero it consumes Monday to Friday na schedule. So, several columns yung na-consume niya sa table. Ngayon, yung gagawin naman natin is an example of row span. For example, meron ka ng subject that will consume your 10 to 1 schedule. So, rows naman yung i-consume niya. Yung gagamitin naman natin para doon is row span. So, mag-a-add lang ako dito ng other rows. Lalagyan ko lang siya ng values ng 11 to 1. So, this will be 11, 12, and then 1. So, meron na akong blank values dito for 1. Okay, so for example, yung world news, it will run from 10 to 1 o'clock. So, hanapin ko lang tong world news na to, itong part na to na world news. So, ito siya. And then, maglalagay lang ako ng row span. So, it will consume the entire 10 to 1 slot for Monday. So, kung gusto kong dagdagan yung values niya, I can just, or bawasan, or dagdagan, pwede ko gawin yan dun sa row span. Let's say, hanggang 12 lang siya. So, pwede ko siyang bawasan to 3. So, ngayon, gagawin ko 4 muna. And then, for Bicol News, ayan, hanapin ko lang yung Bicol News. It will only run for 2 hours. So, gagawin ko lang siyang 10 to 12. Sorry, row span pa lang. Row span. 10 to 12. And then, mag-run lang siya, napalitan ko for call span, mag-run lang siya Tuesday until Thursday. So, meron akong Bicol News doon na part. So, let's say sa part ng 1 o'clock, maglalagay ako ng isang data, weather news. Yan, weather news. So, magkakaroon siya ng data dito for weather news. So, mapapansin nyo, meron tayo ng updates for world news that runs from 10 to 11, 10 to 1. Bicol News naman runs every Tuesday, Wednesday, and Thursday, 10 to 12. And then, world news that runs ng Tuesdays for 1 p.m. So, yung weather news, gusto kong gawin siyang until Friday. So, from that one, I'll be using 3. Ayan. 4 until Friday. So, yung Bicol News is Tuesday, Wednesdays, and Thursdays lang. And then, yung weather news naman is only 1 o'clock, Tuesdays to Fridays. So, pwede nyong gawin yung presentation ng inyong timetable or schedule using call span and row span.